Samsung, Xiaomi. Front-facing camera, Samsung versus Xiaomi. Full length of my arm, which one is wider? Definitely Xiaomi. A wider view, better for vlogging. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will in both of them. When I'm out of the frame, should compensate fairly quickly in both of them. Really nice. But definitely a brighter face in the Xiaomi and wider angle. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? By the way, both in 4K 60. Yes, with Samsung and no with Xiaomi. Like you can see, the difference is significant. You always want to have autofocus to show details in some scenarios. Video stabilization. You have stairs. And both really good. Switching the lenses during the recording is available on Samsung, not available in Xiaomi, which is unfortunate. And with the wide angle lens, which one is wider? Samsung, definitely a wider view in a wide angle lens. So, yeah, strange. And the front facing camera was the other way around. Anyway, I guess you can't have everything in one smartphone. Video stabilization, vlogging style. If you want to vlog from those, this is how it's going to look like. And do we have autofocus in the wide angle lens? Well, let's take a leaf. No, we don't. There's no autofocus in any of them. You have to have an ultra version to have that feature. In both of them, main lens, and we do have autofocus. A lot of bokeh in both of them also. How quick it is. Quick. Now the difficult part for the cameras, which means round object. Which one will prefer better? Oh, they're both really good. Similar. Draw, I guess. Let's do it again. Quickly. Draw. Really good for the Samsung. Oh, I hit the mine. I hit the landmine. Brand new shoes. Brand spanking new shoes. Really? 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 The things I do for YouTube. What is that? Some animal lost a lot of fur. Must be fighting or something. Wait, I know what to do. I need a little bit of water. A little bit. Let me just not fall off to the little bit of water. Just a little bit. Oh, not too much. And then scrub it. 5x. And let's do 3. 10. Let's do 10, I guess. 10 in both of them. Do we see any difference? Not really. 15 and 12 maximum on the Samsung, 15 on the Xiaomi. Let's go back to 12 in both of them. 12. I think it's all the same. Draw, you can say. Oh, maybe a little bit better on the Samsung. Well, brighter on the Xiaomi, I guess. Commenting when I see on the smartphone.
Can't ever be the battery boy you want me to. I just can't measure up. No, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion. Never gonna be what you want. Battery boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part. No, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky. And we both know that I can't be your backstreet boy. like you want CDs from the 90s, like you want Mac Clean, and I can't say to your face I don't want it that way. You seem stuck in the decade that you were born. Open one day and wake up on a tour bus headed to Rome for a Coliseum concert with thousands of crazy fans. Looking up at the stage at me dancing, knowing I'm your man. I can't ever be the Backstreet Boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet Boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky, and we both know that I can't be your Backstreet Boy. I will never be the Backstreet Boy you want me to. I just can't measure up, no, not in sync with the fashion. I ain't got the passion, never gonna be what you want. Backstreet Boy you want me to. I just don't dress the part, no, I ain't got Nikes and my hair ain't spiky, and we both know that I can't be your Backstreet Boy.
Conclusion? Samsung is definitely greater for video capturing. Switching lenses front and back during the recording is fantastic for vlogging. Also, ultra stabilization, rock steady with 4K 60. It's fantastic. And it has a brighter lens, way brighter than anything in the market. And I'm talking about wide angle lens. At night, that is a deal breaker. But dynamic range and quality, I think Xiaomi has a bit better sensor and better image quality itself. And also greater battery. Well, every smartphone has something to offer. Link in the description. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below. See you next video.